Ever wonder what makes your AC kick into gear? It's a small but mighty component called the capacitor. But how much does it cost to replace? Welcome to PartsHnC, where we answer all your HVAC questions. An AC capacitor is a crucial part that stores and releases electrical energy to help start your compressor and fan motors. Without it, your AC might not turn on or could suffer performance issues. Now, there are three types of capacitors used in air conditioners. Start capacitors. These give your AC motor an extra boost of energy to get started. Run capacitors. These keep the motor running smoothly and efficiently once it's up and running. Dual run capacitors. A two-in-one option that powers both the fan motor and compressor, commonly found in modern central AC units. The cost to replace one depends on several key factors. First, there's labor, which can range from $75 to $250. Next is the capacitor itself, with costs varying based on its type and size. For instance, a start capacitor might cost $8 to $28, a basic run capacitor might cost $9 to $32, while a dual run capacitor can be between $18 and $45. Additional costs can arise if other parts, like the compressor, are also damaged. For those handy with DIY projects, the cost is significantly lower, around $60 to $100. This includes the capacitor and necessary tools like an insulated screwdriver and safety gear. However, this isn't a task for everyone. AC capacitors store high voltage and can be dangerous, with the potential to burst or leak toxic liquids. Improper installation can also cause serious damage to your unit. It's always safest to hire a professional, unless you have thorough electrical expertise. To save money on a professional replacement, you can purchase your own capacitor from PartsHnC.com and then get multiple quotes for the installation from various service providers. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your AC running efficiently and extending its lifespan. Learn more in our blog, How Much is an Air Conditioning Capacitor Cost? A complete guide. At PartsHnC, we offer a variety of capacitors including start capacitors, run capacitors, dual run capacitors, and hard start kits to meet your AC's specific needs. For all your AC replacement part needs, visit us at PartsHnC.com. We offer a wide range of high-quality parts from top brands at competitive prices. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more HVAC tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.